Hey guys, it's another episode of Earn to Die here. So yeah. In the last episode we were talking, and there was a story in the beginning. I know if you saw episode 1, you know there was a story.
If you want to see it,
go
down to Dragon Ball. I'm just kidding. I don't know what my username is.
Yeah, he doesn't know. So we're gonna start, I guess. The volume's too loud, so I'm not putting it on. Yeah, okay. I'll kill you.
Yay.
I go slow.
Sorry, I'm breathing, so that's why the camera's going up and down.
Woo! Woo!
You're out of fuel already.
Yeah, it sucks.
What if you just drive 1 second and then you're out of fuel?
Woo!
New wheels and a big engine. The razor sounds weird.
So we're gonna try in this episode. We're gonna try to get a new car, right? A new car.
Yeah, try. We said try. We're not gonna.
What the heck? I just touched that zombie. I mean, that zombie was killed. You see, we're gonna try to get that car.
How much is it?
500.
Oh, okay. Oh God, sorry guys, I'm tired.
I get to buy a lot of stuff.
Stop wasting your money.
Okay.
God, doing. Remember?
I'm a spender, not a saver.
You're a saver now.
Yeah. Woo! No.
I feel.
Yeah.
Stop wasting your money. Oh my God, you only have 9. I think you're not gonna be able to buy the car today.
Yeah. But I'm not fully upgraded, so yeah.
Maybe in the next episode.
Woo! Aww. I wasted my wheels. Yeah, I'm fully upgraded. Now we're gonna save our money to up to 500.
Maybe we're not gonna be able to get the car today. Maybe we're gonna get it to the next episode.
Episode 3. Woo!
We might play this while no recording. We might.
Yeah.
Woo! I like it when you go.
Oh, I almost made it. No. Yeah. Oh my God.
Oh, you can buy the car.
I'm gonna save some money.
When you buy the car, you're gonna have 21.
Yeah. Look at the checkpoint, guys. There. Ah!
What happened?
I didn't see that.
You flipped over?
Yeah. Still getting money.
Now you're a saver, right?
And these buttons,
Right.
And these buttons are for if you tilt forward, you get to tilt backward. If you
Okay,
tilt...
guys, I think we lied. I think we're gonna get the thing today. The car today.
Yeah.
I hate zombies. They suck.
Of course.
Look at them. They look so ugly. You need to shave that beard.
Yeah. Huh? What the? Not fair.
Now by the car.
Yeah.
Sup, dude? You can feel the laughing. I knew it. Oh, dang. Let me get a little bit out, because can't see the whole screen.
Can the viewer see the whole screen now?
Yeah. See the ones. A little bit.
Yar. Please make it. What the? Sucks. Sucks balls.
Do you have a boost?
No. I don't even have fuel. I only have $4.
I just farted.
Julian.
Good for you, Jet. Did to blah 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 blah, and I went to blah 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 blah.
Oh, that zombie's going on this. I don't know if this is a bus.
No, that's like you know those people that like peace signs,
Yeah.
and like, dude, like
Douche.
you know that?
What if it says douche?
You know those people? Yeah, that's their car. That's their van.
Yeah. Nutcrackers. What the?
We've forgotten the crackers. That's funny. Look, there's this guy on YouTube that says, "We've forgotten the crackers." That's funny. It's like someone in what? 7:22.
Hey guys, wait. It's extra long.
Hey, we've forgotten the crackers. I love that.
So here, see you.
See you next time. I'm gonna get out right now.
Ugh, it's too loud. Okay.
My arm hurts.
Okay, see you guys next episode.
Bye. You.